down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, going down. Sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much.
What is up, YouTube? This is Young Raw and Free, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title, today I'm gonna be giving y'all my best realistic advice on how to gain a sneaker collection. Now, I have over 100 pairs of shoes in my sneaker collection, so I get this question a lot. Everybody always asks me, how do you get so many shoes? How do you afford all your shoes? So today I'm gonna be giving y'all the answer to that question, the best realistic answer to that question. I'm gonna be giving advice to people who is teenagers, who is old enough to take care of themselves at this point, and I'm gonna give advice to the people who, you know, still young and parents is still taking care of them, and that's their only option right now is for their parents to take care of them. But before we get into it, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button, share my videos, shout me out, tell all your friends about me, man. Tell them to subscribe to this channel. We going up on this channel 2018. My post notifications, so every time I drop a video, you'll be notified about it. Follow me on Instagram at Young Raw and Free. Like my pictures, blow up my notifications. Let's get this thing lit. Okay, so first thing first, I'm finna give advice to all my teenagers, people who are old enough to take care of themselves. And the best advice I could give to a teenager on how to gain money and how to gain the shoe collection is get a job, man. You old enough to get a job. You're old enough to start working. You're 16. Most fast food restaurants hire at 16, and a lot of other places hire at 16. Now, me, when I first turned 16, my first job was a fast food restaurant. I worked at Checkers. I hated Checkers. I only worked there for like 3 months, and I quit. I walked out on them. But like 3 months later, I needed another job. I had got used to making my own money, so now it was just something I was used to, so I wanted to continue doing it. So what I did was I said, this time around, I'm finna try to find something that I really like doing, that I enjoy doing. So what I did was I had my mom take me around to all the Foot Locker stores, all the Foot Action stores, all of those stores, and I just did application for only those stores, because if you don't know, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Finish Line, Kids Foot Locker, all of those stores hire at 16, and that's the best place you could get a job at as a 16-year-old who's trying to build a shoe collection. Because not only are you working around sneakers and getting paid for it, you're gonna get a discount on all of your shoes. So that's one of the best things you could do. So I ended up getting a job at Foot Locker when I was 16 years old, which is how I ended up starting my sneaker collection. I probably had maybe 15 pairs of shoes before I started working at Foot Locker when I was 16 years old. And then from there, it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's one way you could, you know, start making money and gain a shoe collection. Get a job. If it's not at a Foot Locker store, make it anywhere. Fast food, Winn-Dixie, Publix, all of those type of stores hire at 16. So that's the best advice I could give you, is to get a job and start making your own money so you could buy your own things. You don't have to depend on your parents to buy this, because your parents are going to start complaining after a while. They're not going to be able to afford all the stuff you trying to have. So that's the best thing you could do. And this is actually my second sneaker collection. So another thing that I would say is, if you're trying to build your sneaker collection, is first, before you even start trying to build your sneaker collection, figure out what you like as a person, what are you really into, and all that stuff. Because at the beginning of trying to build a sneaker collection, you may just be going out buying anything just to have more and more shoes, and that's not gonna work out in the long run. Because when you look back at your sneaker collection, you're gonna be like, you know, this not really heat. This stuff is like kind of trash, and you want to start all over. And that's actually what I had to do. This is my second sneaker collection. I'm gonna drop a picture of my first sneaker collection when I was 16 years old, and in this picture, all of those sneakers is gone. Like, from that picture, I probably only have like 20 pairs of those sneakers in this collection right here. So yeah, find out what do you like as a person. Don't just go out and buy all type of sneakers just so you can get your number up. Because in the long run, you're going to be wasted your time. Like, had I still had all the shoes from that picture, in all of these shoes, I would have like over 300 pairs of shoes. But me being a kid, not thinking properly, working at a Foot Locker, I was buying everything that was coming in. Basically, man, some nights I'd be at the register buying 4 or 5 pairs of shoes at nighttime. So, and plus I'm getting a discount on them. So I was basically giving all my paycheck back to where I was working at. But that's not a good thing. You know, if you 16 and you just so happen to get a job at Foot Locker or Foot Action or one of those stores, budget yourself. Don't just get paid and spend all your money on 4 and 5 pairs of shoes every time you get paid. You know, you get paid, you already getting a discount on them. You can probably buy 1 pair or 2 pairs, but sometimes put your money up, save. You know, if you have a phone bill, start paying your own phone bill, so that way you take that responsibility from off of your mom or your dad or whoever you live with. Because sometimes, even though you buying it yourself, parents still complain like, oh, you're buying all of these sneakers and you're doing this and you're doing that. So that way you can kind of cause less of that if you start taking care of your own responsibilities, like paying your own cell phone bill, putting $20 up, $10 up every time you get paid. So you also saving in the process. So that way you give no room for your parents to complain about you buying sneakers. They ain't got nothing to complain about. You save money every paycheck. You pay your own phone bill, which only comes once a month. And you buying your own stuff. You taking care of yourself. So, yeah. That's another thing that I could say for people who is above 16. And for people who is under 16 and can't afford to get a job right now because they too young, they still got to depend on their parents. The advice that I could give you is, all parents want their children to do good in school, to take care of responsibility at home. So the best thing you could do is be a good child, be a good student, work hard in school, bring home good grades. And when you get your report card, you come home and you show that to everybody you know. You got to be a hustler, man. Like, you can't just be good. They want you to do good and then you don't reap the benefits of being good. So you got to start reaping the benefits of being good. If you a type of child and you bring home good grades and stuff, you got to start reaping the benefits. Don't let them play you now. You get your report card, you got good grades. You come home, you show that to your mom. Tell her, well, Mom, I did good this semester. I got all good grades, and you want to be rewarded for being a good student. So you show her your report card. Maybe she buy you some shoes. Maybe she give you some money. And if your mom and your dad don't live together, finesse both of them. Show it to your mama and show it to your daddy. So both of them could give you something. Not only do you show it to your mama and your daddy, you show it to your auntie, your uncle, your big cousin, everybody. Anybody who could do something for you, who got their own little job, anybody. Let them see it. Let them know you doing good in school. You need something to be rewarded for. So that's how you could get money as somebody, 16 and under. You gotta be a hustler. You gotta be out here doing your thing, man. And next thing you could do is, if you don't take care of no responsibility at home, your parents do all the cleaning, everything at home. They even clean your room. Take all that responsibility away from them. You make your own chore list. You bring it to them. You be like, maybe I'll start washing the dishes, taking the trash, and cleaning my room, or cleaning the kitchen, or cleaning the bathroom, all of that stuff. And you do it for a fee. Don't do it for free. Do it for a fee. So that way you can make money. Every time your parents get paid, they maybe could give you $20, $25, whatever they can afford to give you every time they get paid. Now, I know you probably can't be in a business whether or not they get paid every week or every 2 weeks, but y'all can set up a process or something and the parents will handle that. Start doing chores. Start taking responsibility around the house. And the next thing is, if you're going to be doing chores around the house, don't go have doing the chores where your parents going to have room to complain about what you're doing. Like, if you're going to wash the dishes good. Don't have her going to get a drink and then on the cup she see all these grease stains and old juice marks and all that still on the cup. If you're going to wash the dishes good. Because if you ain't going to do a good job at it, that's just finna give your parents room to complain and say, you said you wanted to take responsibility and wash dishes and you ain't even doing a good job at it. So do a good job at the things that you say you're going to do. If you're going to wash the dishes, if you're going to clean the kitchen, if you're going to clean your room, any of that stuff, give it your best shot so that way they can see you really trying and you really, taking responsibility and you trying to gain some money or whatever you trying to do. So yeah, that's my advice to people who's 16 and above or people who below 16 on how to get money and how to gain a sneaker collection. So hopefully, and another thing you could do if you're trying to gain a sneaker collection is, and this is for all ages, people who, you could be 7, you could be 18, whatever age you is. Another thing you could do is start a YouTube channel. You see all of these young kids out here getting money off of YouTube, so you gotta dream big. Just because you think nobody will watch your channel or subscribe to your channel, you never know. It's millions of people on this platform, so dream big and do you. It's already millions of people here. All you gotta do is be creative. If you don't think you do nothing creative in your life, you ain't got nothing to show, you don't have a sneaker collection, you don't have all of this hype beast stuff, your life is pretty boring, it's something you could do on YouTube. Like, if you play sports and you play football or something, have your parents vlog your games, post it on YouTube. People want to see all that kind of stuff. It's millions of people on this platform, so you just gotta catch these people's attention to come to your channel. So that's the next thing you could do is make a YouTube channel. Gain money from that. Don't always just sit back and be the person who watch. Be inspired and do things yourself. Like, that's why people do these things, is to inspire you guys, It ain't to show off and to flex. This is just to show you that anybody could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. And right now, this channel ain't even at 100 subscribers, but by the end of this year, I'm trying to be booming. Every YouTuber's goal is to hit 1 million, and that's my goal, man. 1 million subscribers. So, dream big. The sky is the limit. So that's all the advice I have for today on how to get money and how to gain a sneaker collection. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed my advice, you took some notes from this video, hit that thumbs up button. See y'all in my next video.
I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus. I'm a star.